The KHNAM or Khun Hynniewtrep National Awakening Movement MLA from North Shillong Constituency, Adelbert Nongrum, had informed that he will not be contesting from the party in the 2023 Assembly polls but will associate himself with a party that accepts his ideology. It may be mentioned that Nongrum had been elected twice as a member of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council in 2009 and 2014 and as an MLA from North Shillong in 2018. Adelbert Nongrum, who has been having differences with party colleague and former leader Pendabor Thiau Saibon over party leadership, on Monday said that the change in party association is because the situation demands of him to do so. However, he also informed that while choosing to associate himself with another party, he will keep in mind the promises made to the people of his constituency.
Fikum bakalong ngangit skam upai ba joka constituency yoi ya kijinglong kijuman joka KHNAM ti ngit hiru ngan baki kenmau ya ke ba ngalayai don bat skam ka nongrim nadu ko pasdang nadu bopor bopun ni ka KHNAM nadu ko por ba penkai ka KHNAM nadu nang rekat ngaya ya pun ki obstacle mo pun ki jing tenju ring ngayai ne kamdei tamang ya sya ngalayai ne hadu ko ni khalamat tinrei ngasutu ba manumla syu ya kaban dangile na KHNAM ndei banga bitri KHNAM ndei banga set kelai KHNAM ndei lanu nganum set kelangan ra lang ba kata nongrim pat bar ki wei pat ki parti ki ba kloi ban pediang te nongrim ngarung along ba kloi ya kaban yai lang syata ka ju ka lenti ka banyalam syaka ju ka thong tikani kijing simuni karai ka long ba nai yang ka por na ko wei na ki wei ki parlo ki brana ka ju kanhon joka KHNAM adu baca ki MDC beladap adin ka arja kharpra atau ke MP election atau ke by election jong ka morganing menakani tingam ko ya ban penkelumar kali pai ba but ngam ko hidu ban kering isu ispang ka KHNAM mo ndai ngasungu pat ya ka KHNAM ngasungu pai ba jong ka constituency ki balajit yang ada kejing iet da kejing sanya ka ba ki kimi lenti hani kejing syakri ke jonga na ka banta ka jai pendul lembak constituency